Hey guys, welcome to the video and Happy New Year if you're seeing this after the start of the year. It's actually New Year's Eve right now. So got a few minutes and I'm going to get back to tackling the finishing up the transmission. I've got everything I need, I think, to repair the bolt hole for the transmission pan. What it's going to require, if you remember, it's stripped out. One of them is stripped out for sure, and I think another one might be, I hope not, but maybe so. What I'm going to have to do to finish this up is to repair the bolt hole it's stripped out, is to helicoil it. The fun part is I've never helicoiled before, so this will be a learning experience for me. So what better way to do that than on your transmission? If you're the praying type, say a prayer for me. We'll see how I can get this done. That ATF should be about drained down now. Hopefully I can get a fairly accurate measurement and I'll go ahead and fire it up, get it up to operating temperature. While I've got your attention real quick, Happy New Year, first of all. We are going into this is New Year's Eve, and so tomorrow is going to be January 1st, 2023. Be on the lookout for my next video. I've kind of got an announcement coming up with the way things are going to be a little bit different for Daily Brew Garage in 2023, the way some of the things that we're going to be doing, that I'm going to be doing with the channel. So there we go. I can't believe that worked. Repaired those 3 bolts. Got it up to operating temperature. Got the fluid filled back up where it needs to be. Don't have any leaks that I've found yet. And so far so good. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope y'all have a great and happy and safe New Year. See you later.